So let's just go through this again.
Sure.
You were cleaning your teeth.
I was going upstairs to clean my teeth, yeah.
And then there was a power cut.
Everything went off in the house.
So you couldn't see what you were...
I couldn't see a thing.
And so you fucked my sister.
I did, yeah, that's that was.
I mean, surely you can see how I'm struggling to...
I mean, what you have... It was so... I couldn't tell where the toothbrush ended and your sister began.
Why were you erect?
I just really like cleaning my teeth. Oh, hi.
Hi. Why is there a shit in my shoe?
Okay, I cannot impress upon you enough how dark it was.